Hey everyone, this is Howard from Oris, back here with another unboxing video, this time with our brand new AERO 16 laptop. For those of you familiar with the Gigabyte AERO, this is a content creation / gaming machine. This particular one in front of me is featuring the latest Intel 12th Gen processors, and they're going to be launching in February 2022. So for those of you who are interested, stick around. We're going to be going through what's inside the package, as well as showing you guys our first impressions of the AERO 16. Before we open the package, you can notice the box looks completely different from our 11th Gen AERO 15s. We're featuring a lot of white this time around, and also we got the greenish border all the way on the sides over here. You kind of notice this is the Intel logo right here. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and get started here. I'm gonna first put the laptop down so we can see and show you guys what's inside. Let's open up the box. And okay, we do have in kind of a piece of cardboard here. It has the AERO text all over, kind of glossy finish too. That's pretty cool. This is something we didn't have in the previous packaging, that's for sure. And everything in the packaging is white now. So here right away we get the laptop. I'm gonna save this for later. I'm assuming, yep, there is something underneath here. So why don't we set this aside and we'll get to it in just a bit. So what is this right here? We have our little envelope, AERO. I'm assuming this is the quick start guide and the warranty card. And yep, you're gonna get your AERO 16 quick start guide, and then you get your warranty card right here. I'm gonna set these aside for later. And what's this? Yes, we do have, this is something I'm really excited to show you guys. This is the Gigabyte AERO 4-in-1 hub. So this is going to give you some additional connector options for your laptop. So let's see what's inside the box over here. So we do have this right here, which is going to be the carrying case for the USB hub. So if you need to take it on the go, this will be pretty useful. Let's open up the actual hub itself before we get to it though. So over here on the right side, we have the USB hub plus the connector cable. And then we do have, lastly, a little, this is a little peripheral warranty guide that you guys are gonna get. So let's set the warranty guide aside first. I'm curious to see what the hub actually looks like. So it does come in a cardboard packaging right here, and we're able to, voila, there it is. Let's take it out of the packaging. It's actually a lot smaller and lighter than I originally thought. I thought it'd be a little bit bulkier given its packaging, but here it is. This is the AERO 4-in-1 hub. As you guys can see, it has the Type-C connector at the top, and then over here we do have our Ethernet, our USB 3.1 Type A. This is our mini DP, and then HDMI ports right here. And I want to put this together with our carrying case and see how everything kind of goes together. Alrighty, this is the USB hub carrying case. It says AERO at the top over here. Kind of a plastic finish, and you're gonna open it up, and I can just drop this guy right in there like this. All right, now it's safe and secure. I'll put it in my backpack, pocket, whatever. All right, so what else is in the box? We do have the power adapter over here, and that's the last item remaining. Perfect, we can go ahead and get to the actual laptop itself now. I'm gonna get rid of this, and let's get to the laptop itself. So right away, this is a pretty light laptop. I think if I had to estimate, probably around 5 pounds, probably less than 5 pounds. And wow, a really nice silver finish for this generation. I'm really digging the color here. The chassis is nice and feels very metallic to me, but smooth finish. I believe we are using CNC aluminum, and this is a moonlight silver color this time around. It looks and feels really polished. Wow. a lot of vents in the back, on the back side for ventilation. And we'll get to the ports in a sec, but this feels really, really sturdy. Wow. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we're gonna have, this is the protective cloth. And voila. First impressions, this laptop looks completely different than last generation. Right away, the trackpad is way bigger this time around. We have the speakers along the sides and the top over here of the laptop, a black keyboard. Most of all, we have, there's no webcam down here anymore. The webcam is now located up here at the top hinge. That's awesome. All right, let's talk about the screen too. I want to show you guys, because this is another thing that I noticed right away. We do have a much wider screen this time around. The reason we're calling this the AERO 16 is because it does support a 16:10 aspect ratio. So you're gonna get that additional space on the bottom right here. And it looks amazing. I feel like I have so much more real estate. So that's the thin bezels, as you guys can see, the 3mm thin bezels here. And overall, I think it's about 12% more screen space compared to the previous generation, but it looks absolutely fantastic. Okay, now we've seen the screen. I want to also note the laptop keyboard. This is going to be a 10 keyless on the AERO 16. We do have the black keys this time around. One thing to note for this generation, guys, we're not going to be getting the RGB lighting. It's going to have the white lighting on the keyboard. And let's move to the side real quick. I want to show you guys the ports. So on the left side, we're going to be having an audio jack and also a USB Type-C port right here. On the right side of the laptop, we are going to have our power connector, and then we're going to have two Thunderbolt ports next to each other right here. And lastly, we do have a 99-watt battery. So this is going to be a pretty powerful laptop on the go for you guys. All right, guys. Well, we hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the AERO 16. This is going to be our new version, and we're so excited to show you guys the new designs that we have for this generation. Leave down in the comments below, what is your favorite feature on the new AERO 16s? We'd love to hear your feedback. With that being said, guys, my name is Howard, signing off here, and we'll see you guys in the next unboxing video.